So we currently have about an hour till boarding starts. So I'm just gonna do some more prep work before then, but I'll see you in DC. We've reached DC, y'all.
Oh yeah.
We have Brooklyn, Maya, Kelly, Afton, Ma. Let's go.
Let's go.
I love how we're all just doing like our own. This is such a weird dynamic.
Oh my God.
Vlogs are back, featuring William and Christy.
Hello.
Yeah. We're on our way. We're just walking.
That way was like the way of the metro station, and oh my God. And I was like walking past all these like, hotels and apartment buildings, and the architecture was insane. I was like, I've never
I'm
seen
crying because it's like so cold. I'm like tearing up. Yes.
Screaming noises.
No, exactly. Okay.
We're walking to the first session at American Councils, and it's very pretty out.
Yes. That's the White House, apparently. Okay. That's crazy. We're headed back to the hotel, and then we're gonna head to the White House to take some nighttime pictures before we call it a day.
NSLIY should have like a YouTube channel where we post like vlogs.
Or just like a consolidated vlogs.
We found a two-story McDonald's, and everyone's excited about it.
大家好，我是阮路平，现在我在美国首都，拜拜。I don't know.
They're running to McDonald's because it's closing.
Oh, probably 10:30.
We somehow ended up at a Wawa. Okay, quick room tour because we are exhausted. That's my roommate. Door. And then beds. And there's a mirror. And the bathroom's over there. And there's a huge TV that we're probably never gonna use. But how was first day?
Very good, but also very tiring. We walked a lot, so now we're ready to sleep.
Yes. So, what have we been up to?
Very exciting stuff.
Yes. It's top secret classified information. We don't get to show that to you.
We had two people from the CLS Alumni Society come and present about that.
And also had a foreign service officer come in and more like just exchange alumni people.
Yeah.
Their experiences.
We have come to the conclusion that NSLIY needs a TikTok account.
Oh yes, it is an immediate need. Walking to the White House.
Yes.
It's very cold, but we're excited because we get to go to Georgetown after too. So busy evening ahead.
Hi, Strawberry subscribers.
Go follow
I'm
Kelly,
one of them
y'all.
too.
Go follow Kelly.
I haven't posted a video in so long.
No, Kelly's vlogs are so aesthetic. Go check them out. We're at the White House.
It's like kind of golden hour if you think about it.
No, exactly.
We need a nsli-y pose. Like, you know, people
Right?
do this.
Yeah.
We gotta have like a...
An original pose.
Like a pose, a mascot and everything.
Okay, so we finally reached. There's the White House. There's a bunch of like Secret Service people over there. We found a gongcha.
William just left and then he didn't come back until like the end of the program. He just suddenly showed up and was like, "Hi guys."
Well, no, because he said the same thing to us too. Okay, we're here at the gongcha. Everyone has gotten together. I don't know who they are, but wonderful. More the merrier. So the boba has been secured.
Little vlog moment. It was a vlog moment. I didn't know
Yes.
it was a photo moment, but it was a vlog moment.
We just finished up at the Thai restaurant. So we're headed to, we're thinking Georgetown cupcakes, and then we're gonna go and check out the school or just walk around as well.